Hey guys, I know that you love to learn new gestures and tricks, so in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you awesome tricks that you must use on the Apple Watch. It's important to consider that the Apple Watch that I'm currently using in this video is the Apple Watch Series 3 running watchOS 6.2.8. Also, I have another video here in the channel with more Apple Watch tips and tricks, so make sure to check that one out as well in case you haven't watched it yet. So starting off, you can control and see your iPhone's camera through the watch. You only need to open the camera app on the watch. So let's open the camera app right here. That the camera on your iPhone is automatically activated. Using the crown, you can zoom, so you can zoom in or out, automatically switching between the lenses as well. Also, if you press and hold on the display, you can access a few options like switch between the front and rear cameras. So let's click here and switch to the front lens. You can press and hold again to enable the flash, so you can choose between the auto, on, or off. So if I click on, for example, and take a photo, the flash will be enabled. And if I press and hold again, you can also see that there's the option to enable HDR or the live photo. And if you want to use the timer, you can press on this icon right here that the countdown automatically starts from 3 and you can take a photo using the timer. Now, you may already know that by swiping up to access the control center and pressing on this icon right here at the top left corner, you can enable the option for your iPhone to ring in case you're trying to find it, right? However, many people don't know that if you press and hold it, you can also enable the flash. So it's even easier to look for your iPhone in case you're at a dark place, for example. So let's do this so you guys can see. This option is really convenient if you cannot find your iPhone at your room at night, so make sure to use this trick. Now, talking a little bit about applications, you can switch between the different view options. For example, if you don't like the grid view, simply go to this applications page, press and hold onto the display, and choose the list view. Also, in case you want to go back to the other view, simply repeat the same steps, so press and hold, and choose the other option. Besides, you can also take screenshots on your watch. You only need to make sure if the screenshots option is enabled, going to Settings, General, Screenshots, and make sure that this option is enabled. If it is, you only need to press the crown and the side button at the same time. What's really cool is that the screenshot automatically goes to your camera roll on your iPhone. And in case you are in a call on your iPhone but you want to transfer it to your watch, simply press on the green icon that appears at the top of your watch's display, and that's it. Your call will be automatically transferred to your watch. Then you can continue your call on your watch and even access the keyboard in case you need to type any numbers. So simply go back and choose the keypad option. Also, if you want to switch your call back to your iPhone, simply press on the green icon at the top left corner of the display. And finally, if you want to move applications, press and hold the app that you would like to move and drag and drop to the area that you prefer. And if by any chance you want to delete an app, simply press on the X and choose the delete option. And that's it. And these are the tricks that you must know and use on your Apple Watch. Let me know down below in the comments if you use any other tip, trick, or gesture that I haven't mentioned here, and let me know what you think about the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.